y'all, welcome back to my channel. Greetings all of my earthlings. So we are going to pick up where we left off from part 3. So you've seen these clips if you checked out part 3. If you haven't, get off of this video right now, go to part 1, 2, and 3 before you even click on this one. So I'm gonna give you some time. I'm gonna wait. Okay, all right, okay. So if you've already checked out part 1 through 3, then you already know this is a continuation. As you can see, that mountain in afar on the left-hand side, that is the mountain that we're gonna go up to so we can go and see Rock City. So we are heading there. I'm so excited to show you guys this video because this is where I had most of my fun at on the trip, as far as the visuals, taking pictures and everything. I really love Rock City. I said I was gonna go back. Whenever I go back to Tennessee, I have to go to Rock City because the views was amazing. So yes, if you're ever in Chattanooga, Tennessee, Rock City is the place to be. So I'm gonna let y'all continue watching from here, but definitely check out part 1, 2, and 3, okay?
So we'll know this is how they get up there.
Yeah. And we are going to pause because y'all see where this car is going down. This mountain that we was up on, when I tell y'all, it was so high up. Like, my camera isn't doing it any justice because the cliff part of the mountain that we was on the left-hand side and I was sitting on the passenger side. But do you see where this car is going down? Oh my, it was so steep. Thank God the path and the route that we took didn't take us on any steep like roads or whatever, because baby, I don't know if we could have did it if we had to be that car in front of us.
Y'all want to find out so bad? Get out. Oh man.
Okay, I'm sorry you guys. I honestly do not plan on talking the entire video, but I just want to give you guys a little bit of insight again if you ever plan on coming. So once we got up into the actual mountains, the drive to Rock City was about, I'm gonna give or take maybe 6 to 8 minutes. A 6 to 8 minute drive in Tennessee was literally 6 to 8 minutes. Where I'm from in Florida, 6 to 8 minutes is literally like 2 or 3 minutes. Like, these roads were so long. Oh my God, we was like driving for a good little minute. But again, we were very, very high up. If you've seen in the previous clip, the mountain was very, very high up, okay? Also, we are about to approach the cliff, which should be on the left-hand side. Look how beautiful it looks, you guys. So beautiful, amazing views. Also, I forgot to say, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you follow me on all of my social media platforms, okay? It will be in the description box if I do not decide to put it up on the screen, but more than likely I will. But I promise you guys, I'm not gonna hold you. Please continue to enjoy watching the video. we are in Rock City. It's so beautiful out here. Like, Butte. Oh my God. Oh my God, like look at this. This trail is like everything. It's beautiful. It's the aesthetics for me. Cave, y'all. It is so tight up in here. Are you? Whoa, these walls are so tight. I forgot the name of this. Oh my God, it's so beautiful in here too. I'm gonna have to come back here because it's beautiful. Definitely gotta come back. Oh, it is so beautiful out here. This is so pretty. I love just nature aesthetics. I'm here for it. Are y'all here for it? Because I'm here for it. Uh-oh. All right, you guys, if you made it this far in the vlog, thank you so much. You are the real MVP. Thanks for hanging in there. I just want to give you guys a heads up on the next few clips that's coming up. We're going to be walking the swinging bridge. It definitely was high up. It definitely was swaying side to side. These next few clips may be a little all over the place. Just a heads up. You scared? Yeah. It is shaky.
Very. I'm gonna walk with everything real fast.
No. But there's so many people. I'm gonna let them walk. I'm gonna let them walk.
Yeah, that's why I was saying I was waiting for them.
It's too many. Y'all, I'm walking the swinging bridge. Wow. And it is swinging. Oh wow, it is swinging. Oh, and it's going side to side. Oh, okay.
Okay.
It's a long way over. Oh my God, I'm scared. I'm scared. You laughing at me?
I really just want to walk fast.
They're laughing at you. Oh, okay.
Can I just get in front of you?
Just walk. Okay, we just gonna keep walking.
Okay.
What you trying to get a pic?
I'm just trying to walk.
Oh, okay. And it does swing. It's too many people behind.
I know, that's why I was like, oh my God.
No, nope, nope, nope.
Okay.
It's a little bit more.
I'm gonna get a photo. Okay.
This is the swinging bridge. I don't know if y'all guys can see, but it is so beautiful. It just swings. It's a little scary, but it is. It really do swing like back and forth, y'all. We got a good little bit more to go.
Back and forth.
Like for real. Oh my goodness. But this one's not as bad. Whoa, I lost my balance there. Why do I feel like it's swinging even harder? Oh my God. I'm trying to hold my balance and do this bridge, honey.
Oh my goodness.
Just walk, just walk, just walk. Woo, okay, we have made it over. We made it. OMG, y'all look at that view though. Views. This is beaut.
Oh my God.
This is beautiful. Lovers leap. Why do lovers have to leap?
Huh?
All right, you guys, so fun fact, you can see all 7 states just from standing there and looking out at that viewpoint. Isn't that so cool, looking at 7 states all in one? This is the fact that I can squeeze through here straight. Oh no, hold on, wait a minute. I'm tripping. Just when I thought it was safe. Just when I spoke too soon. Ouch. Okay. It's because I got this purse. Oh wow. It's beaut. All right, you guys, so you just saw us walk through that tight little walk space. It was called Fat Man Squeeze, I believe. We pretty much walked through a lot of those tight little walk spaces throughout the trip. But for the remainder of the trip, you will see us in these little caves. It was very pretty, so unique. Walked into Fairytale land, It was so cool. And again, you see the little gnomes hanging up there. They placed gnomes literally everywhere around the cave. I can imagine that being in Rock City inside of those caves during Christmas time has got to be cool. It'll probably be scary during Halloween because I'm like not a fan of gnomes, but it was really cool though, honestly. It really was, walking into caves and just, I don't know, the whole scenery. But as you can see, they have different sets of fairy tales, and so we saw so many different ones going down each path. They had Cinderella, they had Goldilocks and the Three Bears, they had Little Red Riding Hood. You're gonna see a lot of that coming up pretty soon.
This way to change. What's that lady? Goldilocks. Oh, she's seen a rat. Praise God. Ooh, pretty. Definitely was not recording.
Oh wow, okay. How about now? Dang, it's still like that one, but
Oh.
go over here. That's beautiful.
Oh, wow. Nah, I'm too sweaty. I'm like so sweaty.
Hey y'all, my camera is about to die, but this was my outfit for today. I honestly did some sandals. I wish I would have did some boots. This is my purse. I got on a black jean romper and a little cowboy hat. But I just wanted to come to you guys and show you guys my look. Because I don't think I got a whole whatever, but I'm ending this part of the vlog, and I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Today was long and eventful. Hopefully I got more than enough footage for you guys from when we went to Rock City. I'm drained, I'm tired, I'm worn out, so I will catch y'all tomorrow. We got some more adventures tomorrow. Love y'all and deuces.